Firstly, you need to loosen your wheel nuts. Oh.
Hallo, jullie hebben het aangelopen this morning.
You can juist how fast is dat deze mee, bro? You get that up now. Oh, dat spijt is toch recht.
Okay.
And yeah, this. So once your car's all jacked up and you got the wheel off, all you need to do is loosen these two bolts and nuts over here to drop this hub off. And then from there we'll have to take off these top mounts. And if you want to know what a bad top mount looks like, that's a really bad top mount. That's a really bad top mount right there. So what I like to do is I usually take a ring spanner and a 17 ratchet. I actually suggest loosening it with a ring spanner, because you can take more with a ring spanner. There we go. What kind of nut is it again? And a flat surface there also. Yo, weird stuff, man, bro. Anyway, the weight of this is laying on the stud, that's why it's not coming out, but I can just give it a slight tap with a mallet. Anyway, got it loose. Had a bit of a tussle with the one bolt here, but it's out now. So all we need to do now is loosen these three nuts over here, and this thing comes right out. Oh well, it's only two actually. It's only these two. And we can drop the sucker down. What we need to do is to loosen this. Same goes on this side. Extension. Those are loose. Will just come right out. There we go. It comes right out. It'll take you 5 minutes if your spring has no compression. Yo, the spring is so short now, bro. Cut springs, they said it'll be fun, they said. Not fun at all. So let's just see what's the deal with this. Top mount over here. Yeah, it's turning the whole thing here. I suggest that you guys clamp on the actual shaft of the spring or the shock, but I couldn't care less right now. So we used the vice grip, 19 spanner on top with a hammer, little persuasion, gentle persuasion always helps. Take that nut off. There you go. Like the new top mount that we got. Place it on. And washer and nut back on. And reinstall it back in your car. As simple as that. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so we put one in so long as that one. The one should hold it.
There we go. Lift it up. Just got my vacuum in.
Kind of nice it goes in, no?
I picked it when it came out. Nice and different.
wakker now. It's wakker now. Wakker Tuli, now he's wakker. You take it out. I wish you to take it out. No?